Did you use front and back?
No.
Well, now go backwards. Now use all your back sides. Once you finish the front, now then go back. All right. Today is 11/14/22.
It's a 14.
We're going to combine like terms, and we're going to use the distributive
So what happened to the homework?
property in about 10, in the middle of our notes, or towards the end of our notes. We're going to look at our homework that we passed out. All right, combine like terms and distributive property.
Did you move classrooms yet?
This is a 98% sure that this is our last week in this class, and
But they still haven't given me. Oh yeah.
yeah, I mean most of everything's packed up. This I can't pack up until I'm done teaching.
If I came here on accident.
Then you come here and accident go to the next room.
Wait, where are we going to?
58, just like 10 steps that way. So instead of turning this way, you turn that way.
It's a science classroom.
It's a STEM. Oh, no, it's not whatever. I don't teach science. All right. So, 5 parentheses 2x plus 3 parentheses plus 6x plus 2.
Could I shout out the answer?
No.
I already got it. I literally done the work while you were writing. That's how good I am. No, you did. I did. I already have the answer.
Oh, you're using a calculator.
Bro, my iPad's off.
All right. What am I going to do first?
The parentheses 5 times 2x.
So the distributive property.
Yeah. That.
So we're going to distribute the 5 to the 2x and the 5 to the 3.
Yes.
Yep. So 5 times 2x
10x
and then what?
plus 15.
Plus 5 times 3. But what do kids forget? Even to today they forget to give the 5 to the last number. You still got to give to the last number. What's 5 times 3?
15.
Okay. So this is what we did like 2 weeks ago for like the whole week. All we did was distributive property, distributive property. What we did last week is like put this extra stuff here. So we're just going to bring down the plus 6x plus bring down the 2.
What's the point of that?
All right. What two things go together?
10x.
Yep. So like we did on Friday, we put the ones that have the same variable together. So I have the 10x plus the 6x. We put those two together, Cruz, because they both have an x. What is 10x plus 6x? 16x plus 17. Do I put these two together?
No.
No.
That's your answer.
That is our answer. Our answers will look like they're not done. But I can't put these two together because one has an x and one does not. Easy? It always is.
No, it's gonna be like easier.
I don't know. That's your opinion. 14y plus 2 parentheses 3y plus 6 parentheses plus 4y plus 2.
That's a lot of.
It is a lot, so just make sure you copy it down
I
correctly.
already have the answer.
Augustine, stop.
4 and G's, why?
They're all wise. They're all wise.
Add them up to the I'm actually kind of confused. But I might not know what's in between.
All right, what are we going to do?
For parentheses first?
Parentheses or something I can do with parentheses. What's in the parentheses I can't do. So now what?
The 2 distribute the.
Distribute. So we're going to distribute the 2 to the 3y and the 2 to the 6.
6y plus 12.
Yep. So 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Don't forget the y. Plus, what's 2 times 6? 12. All right. So that's just this part. That's just the distributive property.
Bring down
Okay? Then you bring down everything you haven't used. Haven't used this plus sign. Haven't used the 14y plus 4y plus 2. So I bring down everything I haven't used yet. Now, kind of like circle what is the same. So what am I going to circle?
14y, 6y, 4y.
Yeah, a lot of times kids forget this last 4y.
24y.
14 plus 6, 20 plus 4,
24.
24y plus 12 plus 2, 14. Is there anything else I can add together?
No.
Nope. So that is our final answer. Again, our answers look like problems. All right. Let's go one step back. Or no, yeah, one step back. What is 8m plus 3 plus 7m plus 4?
I got it.
Oh, I already got the answer.
All right. What do we got?
15m plus 7.
Cool. Check your homework. This was problem number 3 on your homework with a little teacher on it. With a little teacher on it. The one all the way at the bottom here. Some of you proceeded to like add everything together and get like 22 or something like that. 22m if I believe. 15. Yeah, it was 22m. So did you make that mistake of adding everything together or did you get it right? So the correct answer for number 3 is 15m plus 7. Did you get it right on your homework? Remember the homework I told you not to put away? All right. What about number 4? 13 plus 9p plus 8 plus 5p.
14p plus 21.
So what's 9p plus 5p?
14.
14p plus
21.
21. Did you get it wrong? Number 4 at the bottom? You get it right?
I didn't even do it.
Here's backwards.
I didn't know how to do it, so I just did it.
I did backwards.
All right. What do you? Okay, can everybody do this one in your notebook, please? Please do this one in your notebook. Everybody do this one in your notebook. We're doing this one in our notebook, please. Everybody doing? Oh, let me move it up so you guys can see it. So 8 parentheses 2m plus 6 plus 3m plus 10. Go slow. What's the first thing we have to do?
Distribute.
Distribute.
I got the answer. Right,
So what's 8 times 2?
16m.
16m plus 8 times 6.
48.
Then you bring down everything else and finish it.
19m plus 48 plus 10 is 50.
19m because 16 plus 3 is 19 plus 58. You add these two because they don't have numbers. Now this was problem number 5. Did you get problem number 5 right?
I don't think I did that one. Oh, I did do that one.
Did you get it right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was so easy.
Did you get number 5 right?
Yes.
All right. What do we get for number 6? Number 6, for those of you who don't have it, here it is. Do it on your notebook. 13y plus 10 plus 7y plus 13. Now that you're better at this, I hope. You see, this student, what they did was they put everything together and got 43y. And we know that we can't do that, right? We can't put all of this together. We got to keep everything separate. All right, what's our final answer for this question? Okay. Did you get it right for number 6 on your homework? Maybe you didn't get it right on the homework, but now you understand it more. You're like, oh, I see where I made my mistakes. Got it. Won't do that again. All right. Are we okay?
Totally. Like a sleeper miss.
Yay! One day I'm gonna get those papers and I'm gonna do them all so everyone's just like, I'm not gonna do Destiny though. So, I'm actually gonna put it either way.
Trying to be helpful. But if I had it, wow,
Yes, you deserve 2.
oh,
Okay, Daniel, let's look at number 1. Because this is an assignment you will upload to Canvas. All right, so the first part, all you have to do is do distributive property. So for number 1, what number am I distributing? The 5, very good. So I'm going to give the 5 to the 2x and the 5 to the 3. 5 to the 2x and the 5 to the 3. So it would be 5 times 2x, 10x, and then plus 5 times the 3. So we write plus 15. So whatever this answer goes right in there, okay? 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times 3 is 15. And then you find your answer on the right side where it says answers. So where is 10x plus 15? Over here. What letter is it? O. 10x plus 15 is O. So, excuse me, that was problem number 1, right? So in box number 1, we're going to write the letter O. So in box number 1, we're going to write the letter O. Okay, but does Miss O'Malley really care about this? No. She cares to see, hey, what's your answer for number 1? It's written right next to it. All right. Everybody look at number 4. Look at number 4. Everybody look at number 4. You see how it's a little bit different, number 4? The 6 is in the back. Still the same thing. You're going to distribute the 6 to the 8 and the 6 to the 3n. Okay? You're just going to go backwards, but still the same thing. Multiply. If you need your multiplication table, have that out. Show your work. I'll be walking around checking your answers and providing any assistance if needed. Re-recording. So, on your homework for tonight, a couple things I want to focus your attention on. Remember, your homework, you don't need an iPad, so there's no excuses for not doing your homework. No technology is needed. Okay, 7 through 10 is what we were doing today in class. Number 7 looks like it's hard, but it just has 3 letters, so just go slow on that one. The rest should be easy. The backside, everybody, backside. You're graphing 1, 2, 3, open, close circle. Remember that? Now, this one, everybody rewrite this problem right now on your homework. You're going to write it as A is less than or equal to 13. Why do you think I want the A in the beginning?
I don't know, because you want to make it hard.
If you put the variable in the front, this is like which way to shade. This tells you in which direction to shade. So I want you to put the variable first. Santiago, write this down. We'll wait for you. Don't worry. If the bell rings, we'll continue waiting for you. So A goes in the beginning. then your inequality switches. This tells you which way to graph. Remember, you're going to shade in this direction. You're going to shade in that direction. Remember that this tells you in which direction to shade. Okay? Now, we are going to write the word skip at the bottom. You're going to skip the last 4 questions. You're going to skip the last 4 questions, Fernanda. So write that down. When you do the homework tonight, skip that part.
If you need help,
Do you make these homework or is there just one?
Every other week I make them.
So did you make this homework?
if you need help coming for tutor, advertising your tutoring. That's not what do I advertise? You want to do it now?
All right, let's put everything away. Remember, when you finish this, upload a Canvas.